Hello students, welcome to Study Out. This question is from Physics, chapter Nuclei. In the question, it's mentioned that the Q value of a nuclear reaction A plus B forms C and D has defined as Q is equal to mass of A plus mass of B minus mass of C and mass of D into Cs square. C is the here speed of light. Its value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now, based on this information, we have to find the Q value of the following reaction. Two reactions are here given, reaction 1 and reaction 2. And we have to also find whether the reaction is exothermic and endothermic. And down here we have given some information about the mass of deuterium, tritium, carbon and neon. So based on this information, we have to find the Q value of both of the reactions. So let's start with the first reaction. As you see here, this is our first reaction and we have to find the Q value of this reaction. So according to the question, Q is equal to mass of A plus mass of B minus mass of C minus mass of D into C square. So this is our A, here is B, this is C and here it is D. So let's substitute the mass of A. This is the mass of A we have to write for the protium. So mass of the protium is actually the mass of proton and its value is 1.007825 plus second is the mass of tritium. Mass of tritium is given in the question. Here you see this is our mass of tritium and this is mass of deuterium. So we are going to use these two relations. So based on this we can write plus 3.016049 minus 2.014102 minus 2.014102 into C square. So you can mention this as mass of C, its value is 2.014102 and this is also the same thing, both are the same. So if we further solving, Q is equal to minus 0.00433 U into C square. So to find the energy, we are using a conversion. 1 U is equal to 931.5 MeV divided by C square. So based on that, if we substitute this relation, we have to write it. This U will change to 931.5 MeV divided by C square into C square. So these two C square will get cancelled. So Q is equal to minus 4.03335 MeV. So this is our Q value for the first reaction. And this Q value is negative. This is negative. So when the Q is negative, it represents endothermic reaction. This is the endothermic reaction. Let's try same way the second reaction. In the second part, here is our reaction given and we have to follow the same method as we did for the first example. So Q is equal to mass of A, this is our A, plus mass of B, here is the B, minus mass of C, minus mass of D into C square. This is C, here it is D. So let's substitute the mass of carbon 12. So in the question, mass of carbon 12 value is given as 12.00 U and neon is given 19.992439. We use these two relation. So here we can substitute the value 12.00 plus 12.00 minus 19.992439 minus 4.002603 into C square. So Q is equal to 24 minus 23.99 504 U into C square. So further, we will change this U to energy relation. So we can write 0.004958 U into C square, and Q is equal to 0.004958 into 931.5 MeV by C square into C square. So these two C square cancelled. So Q is equal to 4.618377 MeV. So here you see we are getting a positive sign. So positive represents exothermic reaction. So this is the example of exothermic reaction. So this is the answer of this question. If you have any doubt, you can mention it in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you so much.